Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing and showing you how you should use a silicone tea infuser for the first time. So as you can see over here, I have a pack of 5 tea infusers. I have bought it from a local store, and these are very handy in the sense that you can use these tea bags repeatedly for multiple uses, and they are reusable. Definitely you do not need to discard them like an ordinary tea bag, and I think this is a very sustainable material to use to minimize the amount of wastes that we generate on an individual level on a daily basis. So check this out. This is made of food grade silicone. Although there is no information given in the packet, you can see this is very squishy. You can squeeze it like this. The base can be opened like this. So see this, the tea leaf will go inside this, and then the base will be affixed in it once again, and then using this can be dipped in water. But before you use any kind of silicone material, there are particular safeguards or safety tips that you are supposed to follow. So today I'll be showing you how that is done. Stay tuned. So as you can see here, the tea infuser has come to a roaring boil, and don't worry about the tea infuser getting deformed due to boiling water, because materials made out of silicone can withstand temperatures as high as 600 degrees Fahrenheit. So as you can see now, it has been boiling for around 2 to 3 minutes, and now I will put the flame down and I'll let this remain in the water for some time. You will see that there are some oily formations that are floating around the silicone infuser. This is exactly the reason why I boiled the infuser at the first place. Otherwise all these things that you can see floating in the water would have gone into your tea. So this is a one-time process. So now I will show you how I will use the tea infuser. So I have detached the base of the tea infuser, and I have some green tea in this particular bowl. I'll stuff the tea bag with the tea leaves. I don't need to stuff the entire bag, just a little will go a long way. So now I will attach the base back to the tea infuser. And here is a cup of boiling hot water, and I'll slowly dip the tea infuser in the cup. I will use it exactly as I would have used an ordinary tea bag, and after around 45 seconds, as you can see, I have a golden yellow brew in my cup, and my green tea is ready over here. And you can always enrich your green tea with a dash of lemon, some honey or mint or any other herb that you want to add to your green tea to make it further more nutritious. So I have shown you how handy these tea infusers are, and you can carry them anywhere. I carry one along with me so that I can reuse the tea bag again and again. And now after you are done using the tea bag, you can always empty the insides of the tea bag like this and discard the tea leaves, or use it for your beauty regimen or anything of that sort. So you can see how useful this material is, and this can actually help in reducing the pollution that we create at an individual level. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do get in touch if you have any queries and stay tuned to my channel.